Hello, everyone, and welcome.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back.
Today, we are talking about the day.
Yes, a simple day from morning to night.
This is a great topic because we all have a day.
Yes, every day, again and again.
And when you can talk about your day, you can speak English in real life.
That's true. At home, at work, at school, anywhere.
So, let's begin with the morning.
Yes, the start of the day.
Hope, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7.
7 o'clock? Every day?
Not every day, but most days, yes.
That sounds very good. Very organized.
I try, but sometimes I want to sleep more.
I understand that very well.
And you, Mark? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Oh, that is early.
Yes, it is early, but I like quiet mornings.
Quiet mornings feel nice.
When I wake up, I sit for a minute and I breathe.
That sounds peaceful.
Then I get out of bed, open the window, and look outside.
Do you check the weather?
Yes, sometimes I do.
I do that too. I like to see the sky.
A sunny morning feels different from a rainy morning.
Yes, very different.
After that, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and make coffee.
Coffee, very important.
For many people, yes.
I drink tea in the morning.
Tea every day?
Yes, usually green tea or mint tea.
That sounds lovely.
It helps me start the day slowly.
Slow mornings can be very nice.
Do you eat breakfast early?
Not too early. Maybe at 7?
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Eggs, bread, maybe fruit.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I usually eat yogurt, fruit, and sometimes bread.
Very nice.
Breakfast does not need to be big, just enough.
Yes, simple is fine.
After breakfast, I get ready for the day.
What do you do first?
I choose my clothes, then I make my bed.
Ah, you make your bed every day.
I try. Not always, but usually.
That is honest.
Yes, very honest.
Small things can help the day feel better.
Yes, when the room is clean, my mind feels calm.
I understand that.
Then, do you start work right away?
Most days, yes.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes. And sometimes I go out.
Which do you like more?
Both are good in different ways.
That is a very smart answer.
Thank you.
Working from home is comfortable.
Yes, but sometimes it feels quiet. Maybe too quiet.
I know that feeling.
And going out can feel fresh because you see people.
Yes, and sometimes a short walk changes your mood.
Very true.
What is the first thing you do for work?
I check my messages. Then I make a small plan.
A small plan for the day?
Yes, just simple things.
Like what?
Answer emails, finish one task, call one person, things like that.
That is a good idea. Not too much, not too little.
Yes, because a very long list can feel heavy.
And sometimes scary.
Exactly.
During the day, do you take breaks?
Yes, I try to.
What kind of break?
A short walk, a glass of water, maybe a few minutes away from the screen.
That is important.
It really helps.
I also like to stand up, stretch, and move a little.
That is a great habit.
Do you listen to music during the day?
Sometimes, soft music.
Me too. Soft music makes work feel lighter.
Yes, but sometimes silence is better.
It depends on the day.
Exactly. It depends on the day.
What about lunch?
Ah, yes. Lunch.
Very important again.
Yes. Very important again.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Rice, vegetables, chicken, or maybe soup.
Soup for lunch feels comforting.
Yes, especially on a cold day.
I like simple lunches
Why simple?
because heavy food can make me sleepy.
That is true.
Then the afternoon becomes very slow,
Very, very slow.
and your eyes say, I want a nap.
Yes, exactly that.
After lunch, how is your afternoon?
It changes. Some afternoons are busy, some are calm.
What do you do on a busy afternoon?
I focus on one thing at a time.
That is a great tip.
It helps me stay calm.
Doing many things at once can feel stressful.
Yes, and then the day feels messy.
So, one thing, then the next thing.
Exactly.
And on a calm afternoon?
I enjoy it.
A very nice answer.
Maybe I read, maybe I think, maybe I have a quiet cup of coffee.
That sounds lovely.
Quiet moments in the day are special.
Yes, they give us space to breathe.
Hope, do you ever feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes around 3 o'clock.
That is a famous time,
Yes, the sleepy time.
the very sleepy time.
When that happens, I drink water, wash my face, and move a little.
That is smart.
A short break can give new energy.
Yes, even 5 minutes can help.
Do you like afternoons or mornings more?
I think I like mornings more.
Because they feel fresh?
Yes, fresh, quiet, full of possibility.
That is beautiful.
And you?
I like late afternoon
Really? Why?
because the hard part of the day is almost over.
Ha, that is also beautiful.
And honest.
Very honest.
In the late afternoon, I start to slow down.
What do you do then?
I finish small tasks, clean a little, and think about dinner.
Dinner is a nice part of the day.
Yes, very nice.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but many days, yes.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Very real.
Yes, sometimes cooking feels fun, and sometimes it feels like work.
I think many people understand that.
What about you? Do you cook?
A little. Simple food.
Simple food is good food.
I agree.
In the evening, I like softer light.
Yes, evening light feels gentle.
I like when the day becomes quiet.
What does your evening look like?
Then I relax.
How do you relax?
I read, or I watch something simple, or I talk with family.
That sounds warm and peaceful.
Yes, I like calm evenings.
I do too.
Do you go for a walk in the evening?
Sometimes, yes, especially when the weather is nice.
Evening walks feel very good,
They do. The air feels different.
and walking helps the mind slow down.
Yes, especially after a busy day.
Do you use your phone a lot at night?
Ah, the difficult question.
Yes, the very difficult question.
I try not to, but sometimes, yes.
Many people do the same.
It is not always easy to stop.
That is true.
But I sleep better when I put my phone away.
That is a very good habit.
What helps you sleep well?
A quiet room, soft light before bed, and no stress if possible.
No stress if possible. That is important.
Yes, if possible.
Before sleep, I like a few quiet minutes.
Do you think about the day?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Me too.
I ask myself, what was good today?
That is lovely.
Maybe something small, like good coffee, a nice message, or a peaceful moment.
Small good things matter.
They really do.
And what time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 or 11.
That sounds good.
You?
Around 11. Maybe my glasses.
And you?
Sometimes a little later.
Not too late.
I try.
So, from morning to night, the day is full of small moments.
Yes, very small moments, but important ones.
Wake up, wash your face, eat breakfast, work, take a break, have lunch.
Finish the afternoon, make dinner, relax, and go to sleep.
These are simple English ideas, but very useful.
Yes, because you can talk about your real life.
Hope, should we give a simple example day?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay. Listen to this simple example.
A simple day in easy English.
I wake up at 7.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I make breakfast and drink tea.
Then I get ready for the day.
I start work at 9.
At noon, I eat lunch.
In the afternoon, I finish my work.
In the evening, I make dinner.
After dinner, I relax.
Then I go to bed at 11.
Very simple, very useful.
Yes, and you can change the times and change the words for your own life.
For example, you can say,
I wake up at 6.
I drink coffee.
I go to school.
I come home at 5.
I watch TV at night.
Easy and natural.
Practice with your real day, not a perfect day,
Yes, your real day is best.
because it is easier to remember.
Before we go, let's do a short summary.
In the morning, we wake up, wash, eat, and get ready.
In the afternoon, we work, study, eat lunch, and take breaks.
In the evening, we slow down, eat dinner, relax, and rest.
These simple words can help you speak about everyday life.
And that is very important in English.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope this talk helps you a lot.
Try to speak about your day in simple English.
One sentence is okay. 2 sentences are okay. Small steps are great.
Keep practicing and be kind to yourself.
Yes, little by little, day by day.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and have a lovely day.